star in the sky, every cloud passing by reminds me of the love that we couldn't deny. You're a heartbeat away, but it feels like miles. Your memory lingers like the sun when it sets. I reach for your hand, but you're not there to hold. Now all I feel is the chill from the night's cold. The world keeps turning, but I'm standing still, longing for the touch that I can't feel. You're just a heartbeat away, but you're so far gone, like a shadow in the night, like a fading song. You're just a heartbeat away, but I still hear your name in the silence of the night, in the pouring rain. I walk these empty streets, replaying every word, every laugh, every tear, every secret unheard. I close my eyes, but you're still out of reach. Your love's a wave, but I'm stuck on the beach. I keep chasing the echoes of what we used to be, but all I find are whispers in the autumn breeze. I keep holding on, though you're slipping away. A love that once burned bright, now just fading to gray. Every heartbeat's a reminder of the love we lost. Every sunset a promise, every night the cost. If I could turn back time, if I could make you stay, I'd hold you in my arms till you're just a heartbeat away, but you're so far gone, like a shadow in the night, like a fading song. You're just a heartbeat away, but I still hear your name in the silence of the night, in the pouring rain. You're just a heartbeat away, a memory in the night. I keep calling your name, but you're out of sight. You're just a heartbeat away, but your love still remains in the silence of my heart, like a sweet refrain. The night is falling, the lights are low. I can feel your heartbeat moving slow. Every second with you, I want it to last, but time keeps slipping, moving too fast. The wind is whispering secrets in the air, but all I hear is your voice everywhere. Your eyes are saying things you've never said, and I can't shake this feeling inside my head. I know the night won't last, but I'm not ready to let go. So hold me closer, baby, let your love flow. Hold me closer, don't let me go. I need your arms around me more than you know. Hold me closer, let's dance through the night with every beat of the drum. Everything feels right. The rain starts falling, the world stands still, but in your the breeze. Your kiss is a verse that puts my mind at ease. And every step we take feels like a dance, a moment of forever in this fleeting romance. The stars above are singing our song, a lullaby of love that keeps me holding on. If the night must end, let this moment stay. In the warmth of your love, let me drift away. Hold me closer, don't let me go. I need your arms around me more than you know. Hold me closer, let's dance through the night. With every beat of the drum, everything feels right. Hold me closer until the morning comes, until the sun chases away the moon and the drums. Hold me closer until the music dies. With you every second is a sweet lullaby. I keep playing back our love like a broken tape. Every kiss, every touch, every sweet escape. But now the record's scratched and the song won't play. I'm stuck in the same groove, can't find a way. I keep walking through the memories like a haunted hall. Every picture on the wall, every late night call. But the line keeps breaking and the signal's lost. I'm trapped in the past, paying the cost. The radio's playing that same old song, but without you here it all feels wrong. Love on replay, it's all in my head. Every word that you said, every tear that I shed. Love on replay, spinning round and round, but I can't let go, I can't shut it down. Every clock keeps ticking, but time stands still. Your ghost keeps haunting and I can't heal. I keep pressing rewind, trying to erase the pain, but the needle keeps scratching that same refrain. Every love song sounds like your goodbye. Every beat of the drum makes me wanna cry, but I keep turning up the volume, drowning in the sound of the love that we lost and the walls crashing down. Every verse, every rhyme, every word we said keeps spinning like a record dancing in my head. I keep trying to skip to the end of the track, but the song won't stop, it keeps pulling me back. Love on replay, it's all in my head. Every word that you said, every tear that I shed. Love on replay, spinning round and round, but I can't let go, I can't shut it down. The record's still spinning, the needle's stuck in place. I'm drowning in the rhythm of our last embrace. Love on replay, playing on and on, but you're gone, baby, you're gone. I've been wandering through these empty streets, chasing shadows, hearing echoes of old heartbeats. Every face that I see reminds me of you. But I keep telling myself someday love will come through. I keep searching through the silence, through the noise, for a heart that can hear me, for a voice. But every turn I take leads me to the past, and every time I try to hold on, it slips too fast. But I keep holding on to the dream in my mind, that somewhere in this world love's waiting to find. Love's gonna find me somewhere in the night, like a lighthouse shining a guiding light. Love's gonna find me even if it takes time. I know my heart will beat in perfect rhyme. I've been walking through the rain feeling so alone, but the thunder keeps singing, you're almost home. Every raindrop whispers that love's on the way, and every sunrise brings me closer to the day. I keep counting the stars like a map to your heart, each one a wish that we're not far apart. I'll keep singing this song till it brings you to me, till the day I look up and it's you that I see. Maybe love is just a word waiting to be spoken, a promise in the wind, a vow never broken. I'll keep dancing through the storm, singing through the pain, 'cause I know love will find me like the sun after rain. Love's gonna find me somewhere in the night, like a lighthouse shining the guiding light. Love's gonna find me even if it takes time. I know my heart will beat in perfect rhyme. Love's gonna find me, it's written in the stars. I feel it getting closer no matter how far. Love's gonna find me, and when it finally does, I'll be waiting right here with open arms and love. The moonlight's shining, but it don't feel right without you by my side, holding me tight. Every star in the sky reminds me of your eyes, but all I got is this empty space tonight. I keep replaying the moments, the laughs and the cries, the echoes of your whispers that linger in my mind. I close my eyes, but you're still out of reach. I'm stranded in the silence like a ship on the beach. I keep searching for your shadow in the pouring rain, but all I find are memories and echoes of your name. I'm missing you tonight, baby, can you feel it too? The echo of your voice still lingers in my room. I'm missing you tonight, wishing you were here. With every beat of my heart, candles burning low, the night's moving slow. I keep counting the hours as the wind starts to blow. The clock keeps ticking but time stands still. Since you walked away, I can't feel the thrill. I pour another glass, try to drown out the ache, but every drop reminds me of every mistake. I reach for the phone but I can't hit send. What if I call you and this is the end? All the words I never said, the love I couldn't show, now they're dancing in the dark where the moonlight glows. If I could hold you one more time, I'd never let you go, but you're just a fading memory in the afterglow. I'm missing you tonight, baby, can you feel it too? The echo of your voice still lingers in my room. I'm missing you tonight, wishing you were here. With every beat of my heart, it's crystal clear. Yeah, the moon keeps shining but it don't feel right without you here to hold me through the night. I close my eyes but you're still out of sight. I'm missing you tonight, missing you tonight, missing you tonight. Hey. But you're here by my side. Through every storm, you're my shelter, my guide. When the world gets heavy and the night feels so long, you're the rhythm in my heart, the beat to my song. You hold me close and the chaos fades away. You kiss my fears like the sun chases the gray. I know that life's a battle, but with you I'm not alone. You're the place I come back to, the only love I've known. No matter how far the road may go, I'll keep holding you close. I'll never let go, I'll never let go. Through the highs and the lows, you're the fire in my heart, the warmth in the cold. I'll never let go till the stars cease to shine. You're the reason I breathe, the heartbeat in mine. We've been through thunder, we've been through rain, but every tear we shed wasn't cried in vain. You took my hand when the world turned its back. You're the light in the dark, the love that I lack. Every promise we made, every vow we swore, I'll keep them close like the waves on the shore. No matter how rough the sea may get, with you by my side, I have no regret. When the wind howls loud and the sky turns gray, I'll hold you closer till the clouds drift away. With every beat of my heart, with every breath I take, I'll keep loving you for every moment's sake. I'll never let go through the highs and the lows. You're the fire to go, but baby, not tonight. Let's stay wrapped in this moment till the morning light. Every second with you is like a sweet lullaby. Your breath on my skin as time slips by. I can feel your heartbeat syncing up with mine, like a love song playing perfectly in time. Don't walk away, don't leave me here alone. Let's dance in the silence where the love has grown. Stay the night, let the world fade away. Hold me close, let the music play. Stay the night, let's forget the dawn. With every beat of our hearts, we'll keep holding on. The candles are flickering, casting shadows on the wall, but your touch keeps me warm as the rain starts to fall. You trace my skin like the moonlight traces the sea, and in this moment, you're the only thing I need. You whisper secrets only the night can hear. Every word a promise, every touch sincere. Let's lock the door, close the blinds, let the night be ours. Let's lose ourselves in the rhythm of the hours. If you walk out that door, who knows what tomorrow brings? But tonight in your arms, I feel like a king. So stay here with me, let's dance until the day. Let's let the night decide what the morning has to say. Stay the night, let the world fade away. Hold me close, let the music play. Stay the night, let's forget the dawn. With every beat of our hearts, we'll keep holding on. Stay the night, let the rain keep falling down. In the warmth of your arms, I never wanna drown. Stay the night until the morning calls. With you every second feels like heaven's walls. When the morning breaks and the world feels new, I hear your voice like a breeze coming through. You light up my day like the sun in the sky. You're the reason I smile, the reason I try. When the clouds roll in and the rain starts to pour, you're the warmth I need, the calm I adore. You lift me higher when I'm feeling low. You're the fire in my heart, the spark in my soul. With every step I take, I feel you here with me. Your love's a light that shines, setting my spirit free. You're the sunshine in my heart, the rhythm to my rhyme. You're the beat that keeps me dancing every single time. You're the sunshine in my heart, you brighten up my day like a melody that lingers. You're here down and the world goes dark. You're the spark that keeps the fire in my heart. You're the moonlight that guides me through the night. You're the echo of love in the silence of life. Every step we take, every road we roam, with you by my side, every place feels like home. Your laughter is the chorus, your love is the beat, and every moment with you makes my life complete. You're the reason I keep going, the strength to carry on. You're the morning light that rises, the first and final song. You're the dream I keep on dreaming, the wish I hold so tight. You're the sun that never sets, even in the darkest night. You're the sunshine in my heart, the rhythm to my rhyme. You're the beat that keeps me dancing every single time. You're the sunshine in my heart, you brighten up my day like a melody that lingers. You're here to stay. You're the sunshine in my heart, the reason for my smile. With you every moment makes this life worthwhile. You're the sunshine in my heart, shining endlessly. You're the love song that plays forever endlessly. The sun starts to set, I close my eyes, baby, I can't forget your laughter like a song playing on repeat. Now all I hear is that bittersweet beat. We were dancing on the sand, your hand in mine. Your smile was the rhythm, your heart was the line. Now the ocean keeps singing that familiar tune, but all I feel is the emptiness in this lonely room. Every chord, every note, every word you said is a melody that haunts me, a song inside my head. You were my sweet melody, my summer serenade. Now all I hear is silence, the music starts to fade. You were my sweet melody, the rhythm in my soul. Now every note is empty, and I'm feeling cold. The breeze is whispering the secrets we kept, like a lullaby sung to the tears I've wept. I still hear your laughter in the crashing waves, but it's just an echo of the love that couldn't stay. Now the stars in the sky sing the song of our past, and the memories play like a record on blast. But the needle keeps skipping on that final refrain, leaving me drowning in a sea of pain. Every sunset reminds me of your touch, every sunrise reminds me of how much I still love you, though you're far away. And your melody keeps playing every single day. You were my sweet melody, my summer serenade. Now all I hear is silence, the music starts to fade. You were my sweet melody, the rhythm in my soul. Now every note is empty, and I'm feeling cold. The waves keep crashing, the sun has set, but I can't let go, baby, I can't forget. You were my sweet melody, the song in my heart. Now all I hear is silence as we drift apart. tried to walk away, but the pull was too strong. Every step I take just leads me back where I belong. You got me tangled in the web of your eyes, a spell I can't break, no matter how hard I try. The more I resist, the deeper I fall. Your love is a wave, and I'm caught in the thrall. Like a ship in the storm, I'm drifting to you. There's nothing I can do, nothing I can do. I surrender to the feeling, let it carry me away. In the ocean of your love, let the tides make me stay. Sweet surrender, take me in your arms, wrap me in your warmth, keep me safe from harm. Sweet surrender, let the waves pull me in. I'm ready to dive in, let the love begin. Every word you speak is like a gentle breeze. You calm my storm, put my heart at ease. Your touch is a melody playing on my skin, a song I can't forget, a beat that won't end. I try to keep my distance, try to hold my ground, but your love is a river, now I'm drowning down. Every second with you is a moment I can't fight. I'm letting go now, I'm letting go tonight. I was lost in the dark, couldn't find my way, but your love lit a spark that chased the night away. Now I'm falling like the rain, pouring down on you. Every drop a confession, every drop the truth. Sweet surrender, take me in your arms, wrap me in your warmth, keep me safe from harm. Sweet surrender, let the waves pull me in. I'm ready to dive in, let the love begin. Sweet surrender, I'm falling deeper still. Let the current take me, let it bend to your will. Sweet surrender, in your ocean I'll stay. In the depths of your love, I'm drifting away. You said forever, but forever didn't stay. Now I'm staring at the pieces of a love that slipped away. Every word you spoke was a verse I believed. Now they're just echoes of promises deceived. You wrote me love letters, said your heart was mine. Now those letters lie scattered, lost in the sands of time. I'm trying to find meaning in the words you left behind, but all I see is emptiness, a love that's been unkind. Every vow, every kiss, every word you said, a ghost in the wind, haunting my bed. Broken promises lying in the sand, slipping through my fingers like a fading strand. Broken promises, echoes in the night, I'm still holding on. But you're out of sight, I watched you walk away without a second glance, leaving me here in this endless dance. Your shadow still dancing where you used to stand, and I can't shake the feeling of your empty hand. I play our favorite song, hoping you might hear, but the silence is louder than your voice in my ear. I keep rewinding the memories like a broken tape, but every frame's a reminder of the love you couldn't share. All the words you whispered like a melody of lies, now they echo through the night like a distant goodbye. I keep screaming at the moon, but the stars don't reply. I'm drowning in the silence as the tears run dry. Broken promises lying in the sand, slipping through my fingers like a fading strand. Broken promises, echoes in the night, I'm still holding on, but you're out of sight. Broken promises written in the stars, now they're just fading scars like old guitar bars. Broken promises, echoes in the wind, I'm still holding on to a love that couldn't win.
Let's leave behind the worries and the weight of the day. Let the ocean wash our troubles, let the tide take them away. Lay down in the sand, feel the wind in your hair. Forget about the world, baby, no one else is there. The sun is sinking low, painting gold across the sea. Your eyes shine like the stars, setting my soul free. You lean into me and the world starts to fade. It's just you and me, dancing in the waves we made. Let the moonlight be our guide, let the stars light the way. Let the waves sing a lullaby, let the music play. Let's drift away to a place where time stands still, where the night kisses the ocean and the world is still. Let's drift away where the sky meets the sea, where it's just you and me, and we're finally free. The night's getting colder, but your arms keep me warm. Your whispers in my ear like a sweet summer storm. Your laughter's like the rhythm of a gentle breeze, a melody that wraps me in the softest of dreams. The world keeps spinning, but we're frozen in time. Your lips meet mine and the stars align. I could stay in this moment till the sun starts to rise, lost in the warmth of your love, lost in your life. Let's forget all the worries, let's forget all the pain. Let's dance till the morning, till the moon fades away. In the calm of the night, in the sway of the sea, you're the only thing that matters, you're everything to me. Let's drift away